Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the essential permissions and basic settings so the rest of this fix works. First, open Rainbow Six Siege and make sure voice chat is enabled and your preferred mode is set. Then, on your OS, set the correct microphone as default and grant microphone access to the game. Without this, the game can't hear you. Finally, close any overlays or communication apps that frequently hijack audio devices so the game can claim the mic cleanly. Once done with permissions, focus on the hardware layer so audio routes properly. In Siege, explicitly choose your input and output device and use the in-game mic test to confirm signal. If problems persist, update or reinstall your audio drivers from the headset or motherboard maker. Generic drivers often fail. Also, make sure your OS sample rate matches the game's, for example 48,000 Hz, and disable exclusive mode so no other app steals the device. This prevents stuttering and no audio issues. To conclude, address network and final configuration issues that stop voice from working across players. You should confirm NAT is open or moderate and that UDP traffic isn't blocked. Enable UPnP or forward the game ports to prevent voice packet loss. Reset your Siege voice settings to default, relaunch, and retest. If you still hear nothing, try a different headset, a wired connection, or another account to isolate hardware versus account problems. These steps quickly reveal the remaining cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.